Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're going to demonstrate a common problem with the BMW remote head keys. This right here is BMW remote head key. This is common remote head key for BMWs from 1998 to about 2004. And these actually have rechargeable batteries. You're not supposed to open them. And we see a lot of customers come in and they try to open it because it stops working. As you can see, this one doesn't work, and they think they can change the battery, but if you open it, they're super glued for a reason. You're not supposed to open them. They actually recharge when you drive, but just like anything, stuff wears down, it breaks over time. Once these get a few years old, they stop working, and then they're just dead. You can't really change them, or it's not easy to change the battery. It's like soldered onto the circuit board. Anyways, we have a solution. What we do here at the Keyless Shop is we can actually copy the original BMW frequency, and we can put it on a fob just like this, which we've already done. So we've transferred the frequency from this remote into this, and then we can sync it with the car. So the syncing process is really easy. I'm just gonna put the key in the ignition. I'm gonna go on, off 3 times. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm going to hold down the unlock button, and then I'm going to press the lock button 3 times until the car cycles. You just heard that noise. Cycle means the door locks will go, they'll go up and down. It means it accepted the remote. I'm going to go ahead and close and open the door. Now I'll test the remote. You hear that? You can show the lock. Well, actually that, oh yeah, right there. So now, you can just put this little fob on your keychain and you can lock and unlock the door. If you need one, give us a call. You can order it online. We can send you the fob and you can sync it yourself.